This is a power output test on the VGC VR-N76 dual band ham radio. We're going to test the 70 centimeter band transmission this time. We're going to start off with high power on 446 megahertz. And on high power, we are getting about 5.2, 5.17 watts on high power. It looks like it's going down basically about 5 watts on high power. Let's switch to medium power. And on medium power, not much of a difference. We're getting about 4.4 watts of transmit power on medium. It keeps going down, 4.37. 4.35 watts of power on 70 centimeters on medium. All right, and then we're going to go to low power here. All right, and on low power looks like we're getting about 2.2 watts of transmit power on low power on the VGC VR-N76 on the 70 centimeter band. Guys, we have a full series of videos on this radio, so if you're interested, be sure to check them out. Hit that like and hit that subscribe. I'm Kevin with Comms by Kemp Outside. We're your inside source for outdoor comms. We have a lot more coming with a whole lot more radio tests, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.